Hi there, Nancy here. Listen up as I share my latest tip of focusing on large gift fundraising. It's a mindset when you get on the phone. Don't let asking for money be scary. Get rid of that fear. I know it's easier said than done, but really get that mindset that I'm that broker or sage advisor, or I'm that conduit. I'm that raving advocate. I bleed for these people. And it just is so much fun. When you have that switch in your head, it's like, well, let's see how this call goes. You got to be a little fearless and have fun with it. Raising money can be a lot of fun because when you see how the people you help light up, you're changing their lives or saving their lives, don't be afraid to call. You'll get that momentum and you're unstoppable. This is the season for asking. This is go time. People are thinking about giving. They're thinking about it and they love giving. You just warm a person's heart by allowing them to give, allowing them to make a difference, allowing them to be a part of something bigger than themselves. They want to be a part of like-minded people that are working toward the same goal. That's what you're doing. You're really getting people to rally behind this movement, and you're showing them the way. You've got the answer. You're carrying the torch. Be sure you are signed up to receive my quick tips and strategies each week by clicking the link here. See you next time.